Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019, and in this video we're going to learn how to use the rotate command right here. Now as usual there are several ways to access this command. Simply by clicking on the icon on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view the tool palettes, then by clicking on modify you can find it right here, or just by typing it on the screen, or just by selecting the object that you want to rotate, then you click on the right button of the mouse, then you can find it right here. Now after calling the command, he's going to ask you to specify the base point. You can specify it on any part of the object. I'm going to select the center point, then you can rotate by dragging the cursor or by typing the angle that you want. I'm going to type 45 and there it is. Now that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.